Welcome to a fall equinox guided meditation for setting your intentions for the new season. Please find a way to sit comfortably where you can be upright and relaxed at the same time. Shift your weight around on your seat so that you can balance the left and right sides of your pelvis, the front and back of your pelvis. And through that, lift through the center of your spine and let your shoulders relax. Set your hands in a gesture that allows you to focus in the present moment, like stacking your palms face up with the thumb tips touching. Then choose to either close your eyes or steady a soft gaze ahead. Now begin by feeling your literal connection to the surface that is holding your physical body. Maybe it's your pelvis on the seat, maybe it's your feet on the ground. Just sense the aliveness of your body and that physical connection. With an attitude of caring curiosity, begin to notice any other sensations you're experiencing in your body, including any areas of tension or relaxation. Through this, observe your physical state of being. Now begin to zoom in on the sensations of the breath as you just let it be, wherever you can naturally feel the breath. Sensing its depth, its pace. And through this, noticing your energetic state of being. Now bring your awareness to your mind, observing the energy of your mind. Are thoughts rushing quickly? Is your attention jumping from one object of focus to another? Is there a steady focus on something? Maybe a repeated thought or quietness. Through this, sense your mental and emotional state of being. Acknowledging any emotion that might be present for you right now. Now let's begin a balancing breathing technique called box breathing. It's a yogic breathing called Samavriti Pranayama in Sanskrit. And it's practiced with the lips closed. We'll inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath in for a count of 4, exhale a count of 4, and hold the breath out for a count of 4. That's one cycle. Let's try 2 cycles together and 2 cycles on your own. So empty this breath to prepare, relaxing your body, sit tall. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue on your own. 2 more cycles. finishing at your own pace. When you do, allow your breath to flow naturally and observe it. Anytime during this meditation that your attention goes astray into the future, into the past, bring it back to the present moment by returning your attention on the sensations of your natural breathing. Now invite you into a practice of gratitude. As you ask yourself internally, what am I grateful for? Let's allow a couple minutes of silence for anything to arise. Thoughts, images, sensations. What am I grateful for? Having cultivated the empowering energy of gratitude, I invite you now to set an intention for this new season by first asking yourself, what specific area in my life is calling my attention? What specific area in my life is calling my attention? Notice how that may resonate with you, and let's allow a few moments of space. Sense intuitively what arises first. What's calling your attention in any aspect of your life right now? Is it something asking to be celebrated or nurtured? Or maybe it's calling for some kind of change or release or strengthening. I invite you to inquire within yourself next. In that specific area in my life, what do I need? In that specific area of my life, what do I need? tuning inward, let's pause for a minute. Now I invite you to clarify in a positive present tense statement what you are inviting in for this new season based on what's calling your attention in your life and what you need. Create a mantra or a positive affirmation for yourself, stating it happening now in the present tense. As you repeat this statement mentally or out loud, cultivate the feeling tone of embracing it in the present. Visualize what that might look like. Sense the way you feel as it's happening in the present. Let's sit in this feeling tone of your intention for the next minute. Gratitude to yourself for taking this space to be mindful of your transition into the fall season. Thank you for joining me.